Farming gives life in Odisha. With a workforce employing over 1.04 crore people, over 56 lakh hectares under cultivation, it is the fourth largest contributor to India's rice pool. However, with changing times, crop types are diversifying. From Koraput's cashew groves to Ganjam's marigold fields, from Kandhamal's turmeric to Cuttack's roses, Odisha's farms are becoming more diverse, more valuable, more resilient. And alongside this strength, something new is growing. Imagine the same sun that nourishes the crops, also powering the community. This is Agri-PV. Panels rise above the crop, allowing tractors to move freely and sunlight to reach the crops. Agri-PV has three major propositions. Protect. They shelter the crop from heat, hail, and wind. They shelter the farmer too. Cooler ground to work on, shade through the hottest hours of the day. Produce. For certain crops, yields can rise by 8%. Water usage drops by nearly 15 to 20%. Prosper. On just 5 acres, the farming community can realize an annual electricity revenue of over 46 lakh rupees, along with cost savings in irrigation and increased agricultural revenue. Agri-PV is well suited to the crops Odisha is already cultivating at scale: fruits, vegetables, spices, flowers, plantation crops. The state brought 7.9 lakh hectares under vegetable cultivation, 3.75 lakh hectares under fruits, and 2.3 lakh hectares under spices cultivation in 2024-25. This indicates a strong foundation for Agri-PV to grow with. Odisha has something special, a ready community. 925 farmer-producer organizations, a strong tradition of collective farming across the state. Through an FPO, small farmers become something larger together. They can pool land, they can share the investment, they can share the harvest and the power. With a renewable energy target of 10.96 gigawatt by 2030, presence of favorable initiatives such as the Horticulture Mission and support to FPO scheme, and farmers already moving toward the best suited crops, Odisha is well positioned for Agri-PV. One sun, two harvest. A farmer's prosperity, a state's energy future.